Welcome to our global gardening series. In today's video, we're going to take you through a detailed 10-step process to successfully grow potatoes in your own garden, no matter where you are in the world. Potatoes are a versatile and beloved crop that can be enjoyed by people worldwide. So, let's jump right in and learn how to plant potatoes. Step 1. Choose the right variety. The first step in growing potatoes is selecting the right variety. Consider your climate, available space, and culinary preferences. Choose between early, main crop, or specialty varieties like fingerlings. Step 2. Prepare the seed potatoes. Next, prepare your seed potatoes. Obtain healthy, certified seed potatoes from a reputable source. About 4 to 6 weeks before planting, place them in a cool, well-lit area to encourage sprouting, known as chitting. Step 3. Choose the planting site. Find a suitable planting site in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Ensure the soil is well draining to prevent waterlogging. Take into account your local weather patterns and temperature ranges. Step 4. Prepare the soil. Prepare the soil for optimal potato growth. Remove weeds and debris from the planting area. Loosen the soil using a garden fork or tiller to improve aeration. Incorporate organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to enhance soil fertility and structure. Step 5. Planting process. Now, it's time to plant your potatoes. Dig trenches or individual holes, around 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters deep and 12 to 15 inches, 30 to 38 centimeters apart, depending on the variety. Place the seed potatoes with the sprouts facing upwards. Space the seed potatoes around 12 inches, 30 centimeters apart within the rows, leaving approximately 2 to 3 feet, 60 to 90 centimeters, between each row. Step 6. Cover and mulch. Gently cover the seed potatoes with soil, ensuring they are completely buried. As the plants grow, gradually add more soil. Step 7. Watering and maintenance. Proper watering and maintenance are key to potato success. Water the plants regularly, aiming for even soil moisture. Avoid waterlogging the soil. This technique prevents greening of the tubers and promotes additional tuber development. Step 8. Fertilization, optional. For optimal growth, consider supplementing with a balanced fertilizer if your soil lacks nutrients. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package for appropriate application rates and timings. Step 9. Pest and disease control. Keep an eye out for common pests and diseases that can affect potatoes, such as potato beetles or late blight. Take preventative measures and consider using organic pest control methods or disease-resistant potato varieties. Consult local gardening resources or experts for specific guidance. Step 10. Harvesting. Finally, the exciting part: harvesting your potatoes. Harvest when the plants have flowered and the foliage starts to yellow and die back. Gently dig around the base of the plant, being careful not to damage the tubers. Collect your freshly harvested potatoes and allow them to dry for a few hours before storing them in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area. Congratulations! You've now learned the detailed 10-step process to successfully grow potatoes in your own garden, no matter where you are in the world. Growing potatoes is a rewarding experience that can provide you with a bountiful harvest of delicious tubers. We hope you found this video helpful and feel inspired to give potato growing a try. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, tricks, and guides. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!